we're back. I'm honestly so tired. I don't really feel like standing up for this. That was almost really bad. What's up, guys? I don't really know where to start this. Basically, I came across a bunch of footage from Big Little Reveal and I put it together in a video, watched it back and was like, I never even explained what Big Little Reveal is. And I also just remembered that I get so many questions from you guys asking me what a big is, what a little is, how does it work, how do you find your big? I thought I would just intro this video, explain it to you guys so you know it's in the shortest possible way. Basically, in sorority life, we have something called Big Little, which is kind of like a mentorship program. A girl who has been in the sorority for 1 year takes a girl who just joined the sorority and they buddy up and become Big Little, and the Big Littles combine in a stack which together makes a family. It allows you to meet other girls in the chapter who are older than you and become close to them. I absolutely love my big and love my little, and in this video I welcomed my grand little. Oh, and then the other question I get all the time is how do you pick Big Little? You basically find someone who you bond with, and it occurs through a series of dating, I guess. I mean, that's the best way to explain it, where you're matched with a girl who's older every single week for about 4 weeks, and so you have 4 buddies, and then at the end of the 4 weeks the younger girl ranks who she wants to be her big, and then the older girl ranks who she wants to be her little, and together they're united. People will have twins and take 2 littles, so that's why things will split off, and that also explains why in the video we're really confused about how certain people are related, because our family is quite large. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Hope you guys are doing well. I am in the midst of finals, so yeah, I'm sorry that this video is not longer, but I just wanted to say, hey, what's up? Keep studying, and let's get this started.
Wait. A lot of focus.
We're about to have a child! Family will get larger! Hi! We're happy grandmas!
I'm delighted to make sure I'm not giving up now. We can still keep it up right. Stay behind me to make sure.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Big Little Reveal. This is my new G Little Dorsey.
Anyway, we're going to get air and I will see you guys in a sec. This is our new family member. Hello! Hey. This is Hallie. This place is kind of... Hello! Oh yeah, filming. Danielle. Danielle, wait, what are you? She's my cousin. This is also a member of her fam. This is Ashna. This is Danielle. This is my great... Like, we're like cousins. I don't know really quite what we are, but we love it. Let's go jump.
We're still running. I'm not sure I can still keep it up now when it seems like you have moved on. I've got to try it to make sure I can learn how to let go while my heart's still beating for more. I cannot leave it. You see right through my naked eye, and we can't just waste it. 'Cause I wouldn't stop to wonder why.
I thought the ticket some talent in the family.
Rent a car you can't afford. Put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind. Put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light, thick as smoke. Whenever the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still.
Okay, we're gonna have one small cookie jar blizzard, a mini pumpkin pie, and a small fries with barbecue sauce.
I had Doko. Wait guys, we need to get Doko.
And that's gonna be all. Wait, there's gonna be one more.
Your small Reese's Blizzard.
And a small Reese's Blizzard.
1276 at the window.
Perfect, thank you so much.
Wait, you've never been to Doko?
I haven't either.
She hasn't. So
I have not ever.
I tried to explain what a family was to this guy at Dairy Queen. It was funny.
It didn't go well.
He's like, so are you guys rushing? And we're like, no, we're a family, so we already rushed. Thank you. You're welcome. Just made Hallie a study guide so she can study our family lineage, starting with Natfish, all the way down to herself right there.
I feel like I'm gonna need to be tested on this.
Yeah, we're gonna have a quiz, a weekly quiz. Okay, peeps, we're gonna call it a night. We are officially done with our blizzards and we're done jumping and we're sweaty, so. We forgot to film the Doko that Katie wanted to film, but
I devoured it.
she devoured it.
It was really good.
I can click Good night, vlog. Thanks for watching. We love the YouTube. Goodbye.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't see